This channel over here started posting videos in April 2025, and it already got 1.6 billion views in total. Not just that, it gained 3.3 million subscribers in just 9 months. And take a look at this other channel. It started in March 2025, and it already got 1.14 billion views, plus 2.34 million subscribers in just 10 months. And this third channel right here, working in the same niche, started in March 2025, and it reached 327 million views, with 1.4 million subscribers, again, in just 10 months. Now, before we go any further, a quick disclaimer. This video is created strictly for educational and informational purposes. We're here to learn AI tools and storytelling techniques like creating animated puppy or monkey shorts. This is not financial advice. This is not a business opportunity, and this is definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. There are no guarantees of views, revenue, or success. Every creator's results will be different. Cool? All right. If you actually watch these videos based on my own experience, you can clearly feel that most of the audience comes from India. And in India, RPM for YouTube Shorts is pretty low. So let's assume their RPM is around 4 cents. At 1.62 billion views, that means the creator probably earned around $64,000. But now imagine this. What if we create the same style of videos, but specifically target the USA audience? RPM in the US is much higher for shorts in comparison to India. Even if we assume just 10 cents per RPM, that would be around $162,000 for the same views. And that is not all. With such a big subscriber base, you can work with brands. You can get sponsorships. You can even sell courses. All of that with a channel that never shows a face, never uses its own voice. Everything is made with AI, completely faceless. Pretty cool, right? So now you're probably asking, how do I actually create these videos? Let me show you for free how you can make videos like these yourself. We're going to break the entire process into 4 simple parts: script writing, image creation, image to video conversion, video editing, and final export. If you look closely, all these channels follow the same script structure. Here's a quick example. A poor puppy who doesn't have money to buy food roams around the city starving with an empty stomach. He smells delicious sandwiches near a food truck and stands there hoping for a bite. But the angry chef kicks him away and throws water at him, leaving the puppy crying in hunger. 2 rich puppies walk by, see him struggling, and laugh at him for being poor and weak, making fun of his hunger. Determined to survive, the poor puppy starts begging for work anywhere he can. He finally gets a small job cleaning tables at a busy street cafe. He works hard every single day, wiping tables, washing dishes, and taking out the trash. His paws hurt, but he doesn't stop. Eventually, he saves enough money to start his own tiny snack stall. He prepares tasty sandwiches with love, wraps them neatly, and sells them proudly. Soon, his stall becomes very popular. The poor puppy finally eats a full meal, and not just for himself. He uses his earnings to give free food to other hungry puppies like him. The same rich puppies who once mocked him now watch in shock, as everyone respects the puppy they once laughed at. The script should be emotional and engaging enough that it keeps the attention of the audience retained till the end. And that's how these videos go viral. So let's make your script. Go to ChatGPT, click on New Chat. Copy the prompt from the description of this video, paste it into ChatGPT. Act as an experienced YouTube short videos scriptwriter in USA, someone who has vast experience of writing viral YouTube shorts video scripts. Understand the below script. Keep flow and structure of the script exactly same. Just write a script by changing the situation. Keep characters same. Paste the story below that prompt and boom, your script is ready. If you don't like the first result, regenerate. Once satisfied, copy the script into WordPad or Notepad. Now we create the images. Format the script scene by scene, like this. Scene 1. A poor puppy who doesn't have money to buy warm clothes roams around in the cold, shivering for warmth. Scene 2. He finds a campfire near a shop and sits beside it to feel a little heat. Scene 3. But the shop owner angrily hits him and chases him away. And so on, until the end. Next. Take few screenshots of the character from any of these channels. I have already taken it. Go to ChatGPT, click on New Chat. Attach these screenshots. Copy the image generation prompt from the description of this video. I've shared an image of a 3D character that looks like a hybrid between a monkey and a human. Please study the character closely, including its face, body shape, proportions, textures, colors, and overall design. From now on, every image you create must feature this exact same character, keeping its appearance completely consistent. I will describe the actions, poses, emotions, outfits, environments, and scenes I want, and you will generate images based on those instructions while ensuring the character never changes. Only add new characters if I clearly request them, and make sure the original character remains unchanged. Now just specify Scene 1. ChatGPT will create an image for Scene 1. Then specify Scene 2, and it will create image for that as well. Similarly, generate images for all the scenes. Download all your images and rename them, 1, 2, 3, and so on, in order of scenes. Now we convert images to videos. For this, we'll use Kling AI. Go to Kling AI. Click Video Generation. Upload the image. Paste the same image prompt, only action part. In Kling AI, in order to save credits, I am using Model Video 2.1, Standard Option, 5 seconds duration. This gives good results. Click Generate. You can also use VO3, Grok, Runway, Minimax, etc. But Kling currently gives the best output. Repeat this process for every image to video conversion. Videos for all the scenes are ready. Now, let's edit and generate the final video. I use InShot, but you can use CapCut or anything else. Import all the clips in sequence. Trim unwanted parts. Zoom a bit to remove logos. I have already zoomed in. Add sound effects, crying, laughing, etc. Add transitions between clips. Add text boxes where needed, like when the puppy is begging for work. Then add an emotional background music from YouTube library. And boom, your video is ready. Let's play and look at the final video. Perfect. Upload it. Use simple viral titles like, "The poor puppy didn't have cash to buy warm clothes." Yes, the titles are pretty much the same every time. Look at this channel over here. The title is on same lines for every video. And the best part? You can do all of this from your mobile phone. No fancy setup, no face required, no voice required. Fully AI-powered. And the process is exactly same for both computer and the mobile phone. Let me know in the comments, how was this tutorial? What do you want the next video on? Ask your questions in the comments. And if you found this helpful, please like this video. Subscribe to my channel, Learn AI with Rahul, for more faceless YouTube channel ideas.